Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start. And before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. In the given figure, what is the length of AB in rectangle ABCD? If we closely watch the rectangle ABCD, we find that AC equal to 6, AD equal to 10. We have to find CD. From Pythagoras theorem, we know that base square equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Base square equal to hypotenuse, that is 10. Here hypotenuse 10 and perpendicular 6. 100 minus 36, that is b square equal to 64 or b equal to 64, that is 8. So answer is 8. So A is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. A cell phone is purchased in rupees 1500 and sold at rupees 1650. What is the profit percentage? First, question number 2. CP equal to 1500, SP 50. So we sub profit SP minus CP, that is minus 150. So profit percentage equal to profit by CP, that is into 100, 10. So 10 is the right answer. So A is the right answer. Coming to the next question, question number 3. If 4.75 into 0.7 equal to 3.325, then 475 into 0.7 is equal to. First we write the first part of the equation, that is here to here. After that we eliminate. First we write it. Question number 3. 4.75 into 0.7, that is we eliminate a point, we get 100 into 10 equal to 3.325. Coming to the question figure, we 475 into eliminated point, we get 10. We have to write this type, so we have to divide this number by 100, and if we divide the number 100, we have to multiply by 100. So this area, the circle area is 3.325. When this number is multiplied by, this is 3.325. When it is multiplied by 100, it's become 332.5 point. So answer is A. Question number 4. 24.7% is equal to. Simply we know that 24.7%, that is 24.7 by 100. It's become 0.24 7. So B is the right answer. Question number 5, series 3, 4, 6, 9, 13. Next term is, if we take first term 3, we add 1, it's become 4, add 2, it's become 6, adds 3, it's become 9, adds 4, it's become 13. Here we have to add 5, that's 13 plus 5, 18. So B is the right answer. Question number 6, difference between 6-digit smallest number and 4-digit largest number. So first we write 6-digit smallest number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that 4-digit largest number, that is 9, 9, 9, 9, 1, 0, 0, 0, 9. So A is the right answer. Coming to the next question, the rate on which the amount 17,500 on simple interest for 2 years will be 19,250. So question number 7, principal is 17,500, amount is, that is A is 19,250, interest equal to 250 minus 17,500, that's become 0, 5, 7, 1, 50. So we know from formula rate R equal to I into 100 by P into T, that is 750 into 100 by P 00 into T, 2 year. Here time 2 year. First cut 10, 2. So 2 is the right answer. Sorry, 5. When it divided, it's become 5. So 5 is the right answer. D is the right answer. Coming to the next questions, 8. Question number 8. Ram purchased a book on rupees 178.50 and fruit at the rupees that one. After that, 248.25. Sum he gave a note of rupees 500. The rest amount is, first we calculate the sum of these two number. After that we subtract the result from 500. So first 178.50, it is 248.25, it has become 5, 7, 4. After that we subtract result from 500, that is 500, 426 more 75, that is 0.00. $73.25, that is D. So D is answer. Question number 9. A hall has dimension of 20 meter by 20 meter. Number of square shaped tiles having 4 meter of side which can be fixed is. First we calculate the area of hall. After that we calculate the area of tiles and divided, that's 2. So first area of hall, that is 20 meter into 20, that is meter square. Area of tiles, that is 4 into 4 meter square. We divided this by that, we get 20 into 20, that's 4, 5. So 25 is the right answer, or 25 number of tiles is required. So C is the right answer. Coming to the next question, that is question number 10. A bus started at 9:45 am with the speed of 80 km per hour. When it will reach its destination, which is 300 km away. So from unitary method we calculate (80 km cover in 1 hour. 1 km cover in 1 by 80 hour. 300 km cover in 300 divided by 80, that is 15 by 4 hour. That is, when I calculate this, it's become 3 by 4 hour, or 3 hour, 3 by 4 into 60, that is 3 hour 45 minutes. 3 hour 45 minutes. It takes 3 hour 45 to reach its destination. So it start 9:45 and takes 3 hour 45 minutes. That's it's become 90, 12, so 60 minus, that is 30, 13, 1 hour. So it's become 13, that's 1:30 p.m. So 1:30 o'clock afternoon. See, so answer is 1:30 o'clock afternoon. C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then press the like button, and if you think this video is useful for others, then share it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.